After 60, your brain starts losing billions of cells every day. But what if a few common fruits could reverse that damage? Stay till the end, because the last fruit in this list has proven to repair brain cells in lab studies. We'll get to that fruit soon. But first, let's understand why your brain needs this help in the first place. You see, aging affects every organ, but the brain ages faster. A 2024 study in the Lancet found that lifestyle and nutrition directly affect how quickly our brains decline. In fact, people who ate more fruits and stayed active had lower dementia risk and better focus. And according to the American Journal of Health Promotion, 2024, diets rich in fruits and vegetables are directly linked to slower brain aging and better cognitive performance. They fight something called oxidative stress, the silent brain destroyer. A review in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry, 2025, revealed that flavonoids found in fruits can literally slow brain cell aging. Now let's see which fruits make the biggest difference. Berries, the brain shield. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. They're more than snacks. Berries are rich in anthocyanins and flavonoids, natural plant chemicals that help your brain cells talk to each other better. A 2025 review in the Journal of Berry Research found that these fruits improve communication between brain cells and protect against Alzheimer's. Think of berries as your brain's natural antioxidant armor. They also boost a brain protein called BDNF, which helps grow new brain cells and keeps your memory strong. Tomatoes and lemons, the neuron activators. Tomatoes have lycopene, which protects your brain from damage and helps brain energy stay high. Lemons contain limonene and hesperidin, two compounds that help balance brain chemicals, improve focus, and reduce stress. A 2024 British Journal of Nutrition study showed that tomato and lemon extracts increased levels of a brain protein called BDNF, essential for memory and learning. Add a few cherry tomatoes or lemon water daily. Your neurons will thank you. Citrus fruits. The brain detoxifiers. Oranges, grapefruits, and sweet limes are rich in vitamin C and polyphenols. A 2024 study in Discovery Food confirmed that flavonoids in citrus protect neurons from inflammation and oxidative stress. Even the peel has brain-protecting nutrients. Citrus fruits have naringenin and quercetin, which improve blood flow to the brain and help clean out waste that can lead to memory problems. Vitamin C also helps your body make dopamine, the chemical that keeps you alert and happy. Bananas, the mood and memory boosters. Bananas are rich in tryptophan, a precursor to serotonin. Your happy brain chemical bananas give you vitamin B6 and magnesium, which your brain uses to make mood and memory chemicals. A 2025 review in the Indonesian Journal of Pharmacy found bananas have natural antidepressant and anti-anxiety effects, and the prebiotics in bananas feed your good gut bacteria, which in turn keeps your brain calm and focused. Papaya and avocado, the brain repair duo. Papaya has beta-cryptoxanthin and papain, which help clean damaged brain cells and reduce inflammation. A 2024 study in the Journal of Trace Elements in Medicine and Biology found papaya and avocado extracts can repair neurotoxic brain damage at a cellular level. The avocado is packed with healthy fats, vitamin E, and lutein, which make brain cells stronger and improve memory and coordination. Disclaimer: the information in this video is for educational purposes only and should not replace professional medical advice. Always consult your doctor before making changes to your diet or supplements. I've carefully collected this information from top medical and nutrition journals. To keep the video short and simple, I couldn't include all the research details here, but you can find links to all original studies in the description below if you'd like to read them yourself.